Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we're talking about a stock that we spoke about numerous times on this channel. We're giving you some of the updates around this one because I've been getting asked a lot. We're talking about GAXY Next Generation, ticker symbol GAXY. Now, a lot of people have been asking me what's the latest news around GAXY / what am I doing with my position? Well, as you may be aware, I use Trading 212 and it got restricted on Trading 212 some time ago now. So I've not added to my position, but I also have not sold. I'm just leaving it there. It's a speculative position, and when we first started buying in, we was buying in at less than a penny a share. So let's get into the latest updates around GAXY and see how this one has been performing. And if you appreciate these updates, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. That really is appreciated. Let's get into this one. We're talking about GAXY. GAXY Next Generation, it has had a very nice green day just yesterday in the market. We was up around about 18% yesterday alone, and that looks very good on the 1-day chart. And if we look at the 5-day chart, it looks even better since the start of the week, okay? And as you can see, it actually went up to about 17. That's 0.017 per share, but it did somewhat pull back down to about 15. So when we end this at the moment, we're at 0.015. That is about a cent and a half per share. Incredible prices right now with a market cap of 58 million. If we look at the 6-month graph, you can actually see it's been a bit choppy. Okay, we got to our highs around about mid-February, just like we did with a lot of penny stocks. And since those highs of 7 cents per share, we dropped all the way down to 1 cent per share. Crazy drop off. Let's see what has been going on with GAXY. Why did we suddenly see a big shoot up in this one? Well, we had this bit of news came out, okay? GAXY Next Generation granted US patent for assistance listening system that uses sound waves for device pairing. So this was massive. They got granted another patent here, which means this is big for companies. It's going to be hard for companies to copy or, create a similar product because there is now patent rights on this one. And you can see here, the particular pairing technology can and has been implemented into GAXY's classroom audio solutions. And this allows for students with hearing disabilities to seamlessly connect to classroom audio when traveling from one classroom to the next. It's not yet implemented in pro audio level amplifiers within public arenas, but it is part of a greater expansion plan for GAXY. So that is massive. If they can get this into big arenas out there, this is even more catalyst here for GAXY. Now, this is actually a comment here from 𝐏𝐚𝐿𝐸, the CEO. We are extremely proud of being awarded our second patent for the US Patent and Trademark Office. While we have a free additional patent pending that greatly enhances our ability to protect our technology, and a G2 development stage has been designed and implemented. In addition, we expect to expand our uses of this technology to other sectors in order to accelerate our revenue growth. And the revenue has been growing, okay? We saw this in previous videos on my earnings, but this was the latest one, okay? Mid-May now. This is our last earnings. GAXY Next Generation reported over 123% increase for its third quarter ending on March the 31st. Massive increase. The revenue has been growing substantially, although the share price has not been following this, okay? The revenue's been growing, but the share price has still been continuing to sell off. You can see some of those highlights here for those 3 months, the first quarter of March right there. Cash over 280% to 742,000. Okay, that's due to offerings, etc. Revenue up 123% as well. Deferred revenue of 800,000. The gross margin has improved to 54%. Inventory has increased, liabilities has decreased, assets has increased. The numbers are absolutely smashing it for GAXY, yet people aren't interested. The stock keeps going down. Just because a stock price is going down, that does not reflect how good a company is doing. We must remember that if you're in these ones, you have to be in them for the long term because they're extremely volatile. You could day trade GAXY for sure, but if you are an investor, your safer bet in this one is definitely holding for long term, which is why I'm just leaving my position, okay? I can't buy anymore anyway unless I move platforms. However, what I can do is sell, but I'm not planning to sell. We'll leave it into it because the numbers are growing right now. The business is growing. Every time we speak about this one, it is more and more good news coming out. Very hard to find any bad news around GAXY. They also had new partnerships as well with AI technology. They launched their visual alerts, which I spoke about in previous videos. They've been awarded lots and lots of catalog bids as well. Okay, things are looking very good for GAXY. But I just wanted to give you a quick update today around why this one has been flying over the last 24 hours, and that's due to their second patent right on this particular product right now. Okay, patent rights ensure people cannot copy them, and right now their revenues are growing. One of the worries with GAXY was that somebody could copy their product, and as you can see right here, that is now going to be a lot harder to do with these patents being granted, okay? And news keeps coming out around GAXY, okay? Good news keeps coming. This was actually a recent one as well, just about a week or so ago. GAXY Next Generation awarded bid for high school for health professions from South Carolina, okay? Lots of different districts are getting contracts from GAXY right now, or at least catalog bids from them as well. Now, this is actually some tweets here from Megan McGee, and she's actually the CFO of this company and co-founder. This shot from a WSJ article shows the proposed 2022 federal budget with the largest increase reflected in education. You can see right there, big old increase in reflected education, which is massive, okay? This means more money is going to get pushed into the education sector. Hopefully they're going to be buying GAXY Next Generation products within the schools. 40+% has gone to education compared to all the other sectors right there, okay? The biggest one by far. Hopefully GAXY will get a small little piece of that pie. That's what we're hoping for anyway. Here's a little tweet here for some motivation for you GAXY investors. When the busy months / weeks and days lead me to exhaustion, I give even more gratitude for our accomplishments, knowing others may choose to do nothing or may have nothing to do. Hashtag G2, aka GAXY Next Generation. So whilst the stock price has been on a little bit of an upshoot, we are still considerably down from where we was about mid-February time. That's no doubt about that. However, news has kept coming since then. Okay, the sales have been picking up, the revenue has been growing, and they did say the first quarter of the year was always going to be the toughest one, and as they get through the middle of the year, sales tend to pick up with GAXY. That's been a tradition over the last few years with them anyway. So I reckon by Q2, Q3, etc., we're going to be getting even better results from GAXY. That's just my prediction of this one. Will the share price react? I really don't know right now, but let me know your thoughts on GAXY Next Generation. Have you buying this one? Have you just sold? Have you just given up on GAXY? Let me know all of the above in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you appreciate this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. We do have a GAXY channel as well on the Discord, which is completely free to join. Link to that is in the description as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.